The roll top fence, you can see the sample, it matches the round post. This round post, we can use the square post or rectangle post instead of the round post. If you want use the roll top fence on the soft places, for example, the soft soil, sand, that we can make the post longer than the panel. The popular size of post underground it is always 50 centimeter. When you use the roll top fence on the soft places, we can put the 50 longer underground. When you want to install the roll top fence on the concrete places, we can weld the steel plates underground under the post. The steel plate, its popular size is 150 millimeter by 150 millimeter. There are 4 corners. We make a 4 hole on the corners and use the expansion bolts on every corner to install the post on the concrete ground. This roll top fence, you can see the top and the bottom, they are two bend. The size of the bend can get 50 millimeter or 55 millimeter, 75 millimeter. This roll top fence surface treatment can separate it into hot dipped and powder coated. Another special surface treatment is the PVC coated, like our before introduced curve fence. Inside wire can use electric galvanized wire, hot dipped galvanized wire. Because it is the powder coated or hot dipped, then when we deliver our product on the scene, we always package our panel in the wooden pallets or steel pallets. And the powder coated post, we always use plastic film or bond film for every pieces of post. The hot dipped post we can package in bulk, but the panel, because the quantity is big, then we always package the panel into a wooden pallet or steel pallet for convenient delivery. This roll top fence, the bend that had add more stable and beautiful for the fence. Then it is well used in the sports fence, garden fence, highway fence, road fence. It is a popular fence in Australia, New Zealand, and other countries. If you're interested in our sample of the roll top fence, you can contact us. Our small samples offer is free, and we can our small sample is free. That we can send you the sample in 3 days. The roll top fence process, the produce process is inside the wire, electric galvanized or hot dipped galvanized wire welded into a whole panel. Then we bend the panel top and bottom with the triangle. After we make the whole panel well, we will do the powder coated, PVC coated, hot dipped surface treatment on the panel. Okay, this is the roll top fence. If you are interested the roll top fence, you can contact me. My name is Lucy. Thank you.多少分钟了？